Good morning, friends. Today we will start our lesson with the thought of May 31st of the calendar. We want infinite energy, infinite zeal, infinite courage and infinite patience, and then only will great things be achieved. So we have to have energy, zeal, courage, patience for success in life. So today we will be discussing the chapter. In the last classes we have discussed about how the seed is formed from a flower, how the structure of the female reproductive organs, that is gynecium, and the ovule we have studied. What are the different parts of the ovules and their functions. So ultimately the aim of the ovule, the ovule will become the seed of the plant we have studied, and the ovary will be becoming the fruit. So today we will be just experiencing the different aspects of this anatropous ovule in comparison with the mango seed. When it becomes seed, how can you identify these parts of an ovule in a seed, and how the embryo will start developing. The ovule, after the fertilization, the embryogenesis will happen. We have studied the embryogenesis in plants. Here you can see we have studied the embryogenesis in plants, how it happens. We will just compare these parts to the different aspect of a seed. If you cut a cross section of a mango fruit, you will be getting different parts. You will be getting the outermost green colored part. You can see here. This is the skin of the mango. We call it as epicarp, outermost one. And in between you can see the fleshy part. This is the things which edible part. This is called mesocarp, and we will get the endocarp inside the seed inside. So if you split open the seed, then you can see it contains different layers. Inside that only you will get the seed. So you can see here the funicle. Funicle generally attaches to the basal part. If you compare the seed, you can see the funicle here. I think it is very clearly visible. You can see the funicle with which the entire growing embryo setup is attached. This is the funicle. Okay. And you can see the micropyle here. The opening part of micropyle. If you see the seed, observe it carefully. You just tilt it and see. You can see the micropyle, small opening here. You can see the small opening here. This is the micropylar opening. Here is the opening through which water will be entering. So here also you can see it's almost a seed. You can see the opening of the seed, micropyle. So micropyle is there, the opening. Then there is the hilum part, and you can see the integuments. The different integuments are there. Integument means layers arrangement, outer integument and inner integument. You can see here, if you split open the seed and take, you will get it. It is already encased in two layers. One is the outermost layer, tegmen, and the innermost one, Testa. So Testa and tegmen are the two layers of the integument, outer and inner. Okay. Inside that you will be seeing the tegmen, this one, and Testa. So inside that you will see the whole seed with embryo. This is the whole seed. So now is the mango season. If you are eating mangoes, you can just take it carefully and observe. So today I got a mango. So just instead of throwing, I just made into cut and see. Luckily I was able to see the growing plant sapling. This I want to share with you. If you search in internet also, you will get the different pictures. You can just experience it. You can see the hilum and the funicle. Okay, and see the outer and inner integuments. And you can see the growing embryo. It's very important, growing embryo. You can see the rudimentary roots which will be formed. You can see here the rudimentary root is forming from the radicle of this part is called a radicle. And you can see the place where the shoot system is originating. It is clearly visible. It is clearly visible and identifiable, the baby embryo with small leaves. So we will remove this entire setup because this is already decayed one. Here it is already damaged. The embryo is not at all developed. It has been not developed. So here we will remove this and we will try to make a plant out of this. Okay, so I will be placing it inside the next element of soil where it will get nourishment. Okay, so within 1 week for an environmental day, we can make a sapling, and I will show you the progress, how much it has grown by adding water, the first element, and with the soil. Okay, so it is placed inside the soil. You can see it. I placed it. Okay, so we will wait and see with patience. So I am watering it. So after this, you can see how it will be developing. Okay. Thank you for watching. In the next class, we will continue the lesson. Thank you.